Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book with line 43, Twinkle with a DC Alfine. So let's see what we have. At the beginning, as always, we have our treble clef. Then we have our 4/4 time signature. The top number tells us how many beats in every measure. The bottom number tells us the value of the whole note. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 counts. So let's break that down. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. The quarter notes each get 1 beat. So let's go through and look for patterns and different things. So we start with 2 C's below the staff, thumb, 1, 2, 3. 2 C's, go to open G, play that twice. Then press the toggle key for the A, 2 A's, back to a G, that gets 2 beats. Then we're just going to come down the scale, starting with 2 F's, just the thumb, add 1 finger in the front for 2 E's, add the next finger for 2 D's, add the next finger, and you'll hold that C for 2 counts. Now here in the music, I see the word fine. I know it looks like fine, but it's fine, it means the end. And there's a final bar line. So we're done, right? Actually, we're not, because there's another line of music. So let's see what's happening. On the second line, we start on our open G. We play 2 of those, add the thumb and play 2 F's, add the first finger, play 2 E's, add the next finger, and hold that D for 2 counts. Then we do that all again. 2 G's, 2 F's, 2 E's, and a D for 2 beats. Now at the end of this line, it says DC Alfine, and there's another final bar line, which can be confusing, but I'm going to help you. So first of all, the DC is an abbreviation for da capo. Da capo literally means the head, or the beginning, the top. So this tells us to go back to the beginning of line 1 and play until Al fine, play until the end. So the roadmap for this is a little deceptive. We play the first line, we can call that A, and then we go straight to the second line, which is different, so we call it B, and then we go back and play the first line again, so it's an ABA form. So while you've played Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star before, this is another way of looking at it. So I want to start my metronome. I would like for you to play along with me if you can. Start each note with a t sound, tip of the tongue, tip of the reed. Make a very clean start to each note. And if you can play along, great. If you need to take it a little slower, that's okay too. Just do your best. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 43, Twinkle with the DC Alfine. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.